Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the T9B English, where learning English is simple, practical, and fun. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sarah. It's great to have you here with us today.
Today's topic is something almost everyone can relate to, a topic full of memories, emotions, and stories.
Yes, today we're talking about school days.
Have you ever wished you could go back to school for just one day? No responsibilities, just friends, laughter, and simple moments.
Or maybe you still remember your first day, the nervous feeling, new faces, and new beginnings.
In today's episode, we'll have a simple and natural conversation about school life, memories, and experiences, so you can learn real English through real stories.
So relax, listen carefully, and imagine your own school memories.
All right, let's start our conversation. Hey, do you ever miss your school days?
Honestly, yes. Life felt so simple back then.
Same here. No real stress, just homework and waiting for holidays.
And counting minutes for the last bell.
Haha, exactly. Which class was your favorite?
I think class 8. Everything felt balanced. Studies, friends, fun.
Nice. Mine was class 10, maybe because of the strong friendships.
Did you have a big friend group?
Yeah, we were like 6 people, always sitting together, always getting warned by teachers.
Same. We weren't that naughty, but we talked a lot.
Who was your favorite teacher?
My English teacher. She made learning feel easy.
That's rare. Good teachers really change the experience.
True. What about you? Favorite subject?
Probably history. I liked stories more than numbers.
Interesting. I was the opposite. I liked math.
Math people always seemed like geniuses to me.
Not really. I just liked solving problems step by step.
Did you ever get in trouble at school?
Once, for talking too much in class.
Only once? That's impressive.
What about you? You look like you got in trouble a lot.
Okay, maybe a few times. Mostly for being late.
Morning assembly was the hardest part.
Especially in winter, standing there half asleep.
And trying not to laugh with friends.
Those small moments felt so big back then.
Yeah, back then we didn't realize how special those moments were.
True, we always wanted to grow up fast.
And now everyone just wants a break from adult life.
Exactly. Do you still talk to your school friends?
A few of them. Not every day, but the connection is still there.
Same here. Whenever we talk, it feels like nothing changed.
That's the best part about old friendships.
Do you remember your last day at school?
Yes, it felt exciting and sad at the same time.
I remember looking around the classroom and thinking, this chapter is ending.
It's strange how a place can hold so many memories.
School wasn't perfect, but it was real.
Real friendships, real laughter, real emotions.
If you could go back for one day, would you?
Without thinking twice.
Same. Just to sit in class, laugh with friends, and feel that simplicity again.
Maybe that's why school memories stay with us forever.
Because it was the time when life felt pure.
And we were just being ourselves.
Yeah, no pressure to be perfect.
Just learning, growing, and living the moment.
School life really leaves a mark on who we become.
It does, and maybe that's why we never truly move on from it.
A simple conversation, but memories that last a lifetime.